How to fix lag problem in Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung Galaxy smartphone but your phone is very slow and lagging, then here's the real step-by-step guide of how you can fix that problem at once. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the lagging problem, the very first thing that you have to do is just to look at some of the important advanced settings. Simply go and open up the settings app from your phone, and from the settings homepage, you just need to scroll down a little bit and then tap on display first. Inside the display, you just need to scroll down and you'll get to see the option screen resolution. You can go ahead and tap on these and you'll get to see I have selected the highest resolution for the screen. This is actually consuming too much battery and getting the performance a little bit down. So we can either select HD Plus from here, or you can either select HD. This is the most compatible one. This will preserve your battery as well as the performance. So you can go ahead and select that and then go ahead and tap on apply, and this will be applied to your display resolution. Now the very next thing that you have to do, just need to get back to the main settings of your phone, and from the main settings you just need to scroll down to the option called battery and device here. This might get to see the option with the battery only, so just go ahead and tap on this, and once you tap on this one, you'll get to see this is the most important settings that you just need to keep in mind. So just keep watching the video very carefully. So the very first thing that you have to do, you'll get to see you have the optimize now option here. So this will actually optimize your battery as well as the performance automatically. So all you can do, you can tap on optimize now, and this will optimize all the problems, apps, background apps, and all those unnecessary things. This will find out, and then this will optimize automatically. Go and tap on done, and you'll get to see now this says great, and doing this process can help you to improve your performance a little bit better. But the very important thing that you need to keep in mind, then you can actually look at your storage capacity. You'll get to see I have the 84.1 gigabytes of free storage, but for you, if you see that you're running out of storage, then this is the main reason that your phone is actually lagging and it's getting slow. So all you can do, you can go ahead and tap on storage here. Now once you tap on storage, you'll get to see all the details about your storage. You'll get to see I have the images 1.05 gigabytes and videos 1.14, audio files, documents, and other information. So you just need to look at which section is actually consuming too much storage from your phone. So if you see that the image and the video is taking too much storage and you're running out of storage, then all we can do, we can just get back from here and then go ahead and open up the gallery. Now simply go ahead and find out the unnecessary photos and videos from your device, and then simply go ahead and select those photos and videos like this, and then simply go and tap on delete, and then go and tap on move to trash. This is not permanently deleted. All you have to just need to go to the three dot line at the bottom right here and then go to the trash. You'll get to see all the deleted trash files are available inside this one. So all you have to do is just need to go ahead and tap on this three dot line again and then tap on empty, and then go and tap on delete all the item from here. This will permanently delete all the photos and videos from the trash list. This is actually the permanent deleting process. So once you do that, this will help you to get more free storage that will give your phone to perform very smoothly. So if I get back to the settings once again and going to the battery and the performance, I'll get to see the storage information once again, and make sure that you have available free storage in order to get the best performance. Now just get back from here from the battery, then scroll down and you'll get to see the memory. This is the most important one because the performance and lagging is actually depends on your memory. So if you tap on the memory, so you'll get to see all the details it's taking right now. So you'll get to see I have a few different options. So he'll get to see this is the unnecessary things that is automatically detected. So all you have to do is just need to go ahead and tap on clean now. This will actually free up 1.8 gigabytes of free storage. So just go ahead and tap on clean now. Don't worry, this will not delete any data from a device. You just need to go ahead and tap on clean now, and this will take a little time, and this will delete all the unnecessary things from the background, and this will give you more free storage for your memory, and this will give the best performance as well. Now once you're done, just get back from here, and once you have make sure all these important things, these are the most important things that you need to do, just get back from here and then restart your phone once. And once you get back, most likely your lagging or hanging problem will be fixed and you'll have a most useful or the most smooth experience from your phone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.